Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make ginseng coffee at home. It's a simple and invigorating way to start your day or enjoy a midday boost. We'll begin by gathering just a few key ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of your favorite freshly brewed coffee, 1 level teaspoon of high-quality ginseng powder, and any sweetener you prefer. This combination creates a delightful and energizing beverage that's easy to prepare right in your own kitchen. Now that you have your ingredients ready, let's mix them together. First, pour your freshly brewed coffee into your favorite mug. Next, carefully add 1 level teaspoon of ginseng powder into the hot coffee. It's important to ensure the coffee is warm enough to help the powder dissolve smoothly. Stir the mixture gently but thoroughly for about 30 seconds, making sure there are no clumps and the ginseng is completely incorporated into your beverage. Once your ginseng is well mixed, it's time to customize your drink with a touch of sweetness. Add your preferred sweetener, whether it's a teaspoon of honey, a dash of sugar, or a sugar substitute to achieve your desired taste. Stir the coffee once more to ensure the sweetener is fully dissolved and evenly distributed. Your delicious and energizing homemade ginseng coffee is now ready to be enjoyed. Take a moment to savor its unique flavor and aroma. Beyond its great taste, ginseng coffee offers several potential benefits, including a natural energy boost and enhanced mental clarity. For an even richer experience, consider adding a splash of your favorite milk or a non-dairy alternative, like almond or oat milk. You can also experiment with different coffee roasts from light to dark to discover your ideal flavor profile. Enjoy this simple, healthful, and delicious beverage as part of your daily routine.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.